Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by making the tool safe. Unplug or remove the battery and place the chopper on a steady surface. Once done, remove the lid and carefully lift out the blade assembly. Mark orientation so reassembly is fast. Next, expose the thread spool and the eyelet path. You need clear access. This step matters because seeing the spool, eyelets, and any tension spring tells you how the thread routes and where knots must sit, which prevents misfeeds later on. You cut the old thread close to the spool and feed the free end back through each eyelet until it's fully removed. This avoids tangles when you start fresh. Now prepare the replacement thread. Make a tight, small knot at the spool end, and, if the design allows, a tiny dab of glue to prevent slip. Feed the new end through the eyelets in the same order. While you wind the spool, keep even tension so the thread lays flat and won't bunch up. You reassemble the blade and lid, aligning the orientation marks you made earlier. This ensures the mechanism meshes properly. Once reassembled, test with 3 short pulls and observe how the chopper cuts. Good performance means proper tension and clean thread path. If the thread slips or frays, stop, reknot the spool, trim any damaged sections, or replace the spool entirely. Make sure to check eyelets for burrs. Those rough spots cause fraying and repeat failure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.